Well, if you're planning to visit Sri Lanka in the upcoming days, then this video is definitely for you all. Sri Lanka has recently made visa free for Indians and some other countries as well. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about all the new rules and regulations that has been set by the Sri Lankan government for tourists and also for people who are traveling on business purpose. So if you find the video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any queries related to anything, do let me know in the comment section below. Come on, let's head over to the screen. Okay, so once you are on the web browser, just type Visa Sri Lanka, and as you can see, Sri Lanka e-visa official website, and also you can go for this particular place, online visa application eta.gov.lk. But before I start off, let me just give you a quick information here. Indians who are actually going for a visa free service will need to opt for an ETA, which is an Electronic Travel Authorization. Now what it is what I'm going to talk about next within a few seconds. So let me just click here once, and right over here you can see there is an emergency alert which pops up, and it states that a free visa regime is implemented for nations of China, India, Indonesia, Russia, Thailand, Malaysia and Japan with immediate effects. This has been actually posted in this particular website on 27/9/2024. As you can see, the date is also given over here. And point number 2 states that nations of the above nominated countries possessing diplomatic, official, public affairs service and ordinary passport are eligible to enjoy a visa-free regime under this particular scheme. Also, the above noted nations, which is point number 3 and one of the most highlighted points in this particular topic, should apply for an Electronic Travel Authorization ETA, which I was talking about a few seconds back, before arriving in Sri Lanka, subject to granting/issuing free of charge. Under this scheme, tourists can enjoy 30 days free visa period and double entry facilities permitted from the date of first arrival to Sri Lanka within 30 days. Now, this is the information which is actually the current scenario of Sri Lanka right now for tourists who are coming from any other country. And right over here, if you click here, there will be a form which is downloaded right over here where the fees is given for the ETA. Let me just show you that also. So as you can see, for the SAARC nations, these columns are mainly for the SAARC nation, and for all other countries the details are given over here. Tourist visa with double entry for 30 days is $20 if done by the applicant. If done by third parties, again $20. And if you scroll down, you can also go for on arrival at port of entry in Sri Lanka, which will cost you $25. Business visa with multiple entry for 30 days, $30, and this is not given here because you will have to apply it online before coming. So there is no on arrival system for this particular business visa for Sri Lanka. And for other countries, as you can see, $50 is the basic rate which you need to pay, and if you are going for non-arrival at the port in Sri Lanka, then you need to pay $60. So these are for the SAARC nations, and these are for all other countries for people who are traveling to Sri Lanka. And children of any nationality under the age of 12 is free, so you don't need an ETA for that. Now let me just show you from where you can apply ETA online. It's very easy actually. It will take you hardly 5 to 10 minutes time to do the entire process, and I would definitely recommend you all to try it out without going for any agent. So as you can see, Sri Lanka ETA, the online portal for ETA application to Sri Lanka. You just need to click apply now. But before that, let me just tell you, ETA fees I have already talked about a few seconds back. Processing time is 5 to 6 working days it normally takes for your ETA to come online. You can always check it out just by clicking here, check status. You can put your application ID which you will be getting after applying your ETA and your mail ID, and you can check the current status of your ETA. And if you need anything more, any information from their particular website regarding ETA or any other thing, you can just connect them. You can click over here and you can just write your full name, email ID, telephone number, and the content, and submit it. So let me just go straight to how you can apply ETA. Just click over here, apply ETA, and it's just a very normal form that you need to fill up. As you can see, just need to provide your date of arrival, and then scroll down. You need to put your passport details, your full name, date of birth, address, email ID, passport number, nationality, and if any other person is traveling with you, you can just add person. Click over here and you can just fulfill their details as well, and after that go to the next step and pay the payment via your debit card or credit card. Just remember to keep your international usage on, or else your payment is definitely going to get declined. And after that you will be receiving an ETA via your mail within 5 to 6 working days. So this is how you can apply for ETA for your next trip to Sri Lanka. And do remember one thing, that you need to keep your international usage on while making the online payments via your debit or credit card, or else the payments will definitely get declined. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any queries related to anything, do let me know in the comment section below. I have made a dedicated series of videos on Bali, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, and also Singapore. So you can always check that out if you want a budget friendly travel. And if you have queries related to any of those videos, do let me know in the comment section. Again, I will definitely answer each and everyone's question. See you all again in a very different video. Till then, bye bye, take care.